This video is going to show you how to complete the infographic in Canva certificate on Coursera. First thing you do is enroll for free and then continue with Google to log in. Select your name and then it logs you in. Make sure you hit continue there. You will see here there's a few things about the course, such as learning objectives, the time it should take about an hour. That's the period you have right now. And then when you're all set, you can hit where it says get started, and you'll start with the first welcome page. Go ahead and read through that page. It'll go through everything, how it's structured, the goal of the assignment, the project you're going to create, a little bit about who the instructor is, about RHYME, that's how you're going to be completing it on Coursera, and then how you're going to earn your certificate. When you're ready, hit completed and then go to next item. Again, take a look at the objectives and then click on the Coursera honor code, which means you're not going to be cheating at all in this video. When you click on it, it'll open up this page here. On the right, you will see a video. On the left, you will see a page. You can even it out if it makes it easier. The page on the left is a Canva window. We'll talk about that in a second. But on the right is the first video there. Go ahead and watch it. When you're finished, go to the next video. And then it'll play this next video right after. The screen on the left, though, that's Canva. So you're going to log into Canva. If you've never logged in, just go ahead and hit log in. It should open up your window to continue with Google. Use your school-issued ID to log in with Google. The goal with this certificate is that you're going to watch the videos on the right, the window on the right, and then on the left-hand side, you will actually be following the steps on the left in Canva. So you'll be a few videos you have to watch, it's like 5 or 6 videos. When you're finished with those videos, it'll take you to a window where you would do your certificate. So once you watch your last video, that screen on the left will pop up. You're going to go back to Project Home. And then on the bottom, see it says test your practice, hit resume, hit continue, and then go to where it says start assignment. Your goal is to correctly answer all the questions that are listed here. I think there's about 5 questions. Do your best. The information comes from those videos. And then once you're finished with answering the questions, double check your answers and then click on the link on the bottom. Type in your full name that's going to be on your certificate and then continue on. You'll see at the top your score. Once you're finished, go to where it says go to next item. This may take a few minutes, but once you're finished with the test and you pass it, you'll see in your email a congratulations email where a link that says view certificate. You'll pull it up like this, click on that link, and you go to where it says share certificate on the right. It'll pull up a link. You're going to copy that link, and that link is what you can use to submit this certificate for credit.